The AI that people were calling dangerous a few months ago has now become a money-making machine for some people. This creator is making horror AI videos and has reached close to 3 million subscribers in just 15 videos. Another guy is making creepy AI short horror stories and has crossed millions of views in just a few uploads. Now, you tell me, is this just luck? No, brother, this is the game of catching trends. Every week a new trend comes, and the one who catches it quickly takes both the views and the money. And if you keep thinking, the game will pass you by and you'll be left behind. What I am earning today, the biggest role in that is only and only AIs. Today, I'm going to tell you about some viral videos and show you the tools with which such viral videos are made. Its link is in the description below. Just watch carefully, understand, because the next viral video might be yours. First, when you open this website, the interface you'll see in front will be something like this. Very simple. You don't need to search anywhere for anything. Simply here at the top, you will get the try for free option. Just click on it and log in. The process is very easy. Now, as soon as you enter, you'll see next level features like text to video, image to video, video to animation, and many more. Now, let me show you the real use of the text to video feature. The most exciting thing, you know what? Here you get direct access to Kling AI 1.6, Veo 3.1 Pro, Hailuo 2.3, and many more advanced text-to-video generator models, meaning the powerful AI we were searching for came walking on its own. Now let me show you by generating a video first with Lit AI. I am putting a simple prompt, a dark abandoned house at night with eerie atmosphere. Now, the more creative the prompt, the more cinematic and realistic the video will be. So get prompts written from ChatGPT or write yourself. Just the imagination should be good. Here you can also set the video's duration and quality. And yes, if you want sound in the video too, just type a prompt for that as well, and AI will arrange the sound for you. Now, after setting everything, just click generate, and in just a few seconds your video is ready. Now you see for yourself. It made the video with background sound and how realistic it looks. If we want to make such horror videos ourselves, first we would have to search for scary clips from somewhere. Then we would have to add background sound and effects. It would take a lot of time. But with this tool, you can make such videos in 1 minute. And this was just a simple prompt. If you put better, detailed prompts, the output will literally be at a cinematic horror level. Let's now try making a video on the same concept with Kling AI. I pasted the prompt, clicked generate, and bro. You can see how realistic and creepy the visuals look. Your video can be even better. It depends on what kind of prompt you write. Now let's move to the next feature, image to video. Here you can see I tried a horror character image, and honestly, the output that came looked quite scary and realistic. Now, one more thing that makes this feature even more powerful. Kling AI is integrated here too, meaning if you want to work only with Kling AI, you get full access in this image to video section as well. First, I got a scary character image generated from ChatGPT, then uploaded it here, and also got the prompt written from ChatGPT. Now I put that prompt here, selected SFX and other settings, and directly clicked generate. In just a few seconds, the video is ready. And you can see how well the horror atmosphere is created. The quality comes out very good. If you make 4 to 5 such short horror clips and combine them to make a story type video, your video is bound to go viral. And if you want a full breakdown video of this entire process, definitely tell me in the comments. I will make it. Now let's try another viral horror format, the creepy forest video. Same method, image uploaded, prompt entered, and within seconds, video ready. You can see for yourself how smooth and high quality the output is. Seeing all this, only one thing can be said. Making viral horror content with AI has become much easier than before. Now let's move towards the next feature, video to animation. Here you can upload any of your videos and convert it into your preferred animation style, like dark anime or horror animation style. So I selected that, and with just one click, the entire animation is ready. The visuals look cinematic and scary, as if made by a professional animation studio. Now let's move towards today's coolest and trending feature, video effects. The viral horror videos you see on Reels, TikTok, Shorts, like ghost transformation, demon face reveal, creepy character switch, all can be created with this same tool. Let me show you a character switch effect. In this, I put my image and clicked generate, and the result seriously came out so real and smooth that it feels like it was made in a high-end VFX studio. People will ask you themselves, bro, where Where did you make this from? Such horror videos go very viral on Instagram, so you can use this to make trending videos. When you visit the LitVideo pricing page, you'll notice 3 main options designed for all types of creators, whether you're just starting out or you want unlimited AI video power. The 1-month plan gives you a flexible, low-risk way to try everything with up to 30 videos and AI image generations per month at just $14.99. The 1-year plan is even more value-packed. Billed annually at $89.99, it lets you generate up to 50 videos per month at a much lower daily cost while still enjoying HD AI tools, 5 to 12-second video lengths, and access to all major models like Sora, Veo, Wan, and more. But here's the real game changer, the lifetime plan. For a one-time payment of $125.97, that's less than $1 a month, you unlock far more credits, higher limits, up to 1,200 videos annually, unlimited access, no recurring bills, and extras like 24/7 one-on-one support and custom templates every month. Features you don't get with the regular subscription. So if you're serious about making viral horror reels, creepy AI animations, dark storytelling videos, and trend-driven AI clips, the lifetime plan isn't just cheaper in the long run. It sets you up for growth without worrying about monthly renewals. Compared to paying every month or even every year, this one-time deal gives you the best long-term value, especially if you plan to post tons of content and scale your channel rapidly. And that's the beauty of it. You don't need expensive equipment, complicated software, or months of learning. With just a few clicks, AI gives you the power to create viral horror videos, animations, and music content that can grow your channel faster than ever. Remember, the key is consistency and creativity. Combine trends with your own dark ideas, and the results can be insane. And if you really want to go all in and never worry about limits, the lifetime plan we talked about is hands down the smartest move. It saves you money, unlocks full potential, and keeps you ahead in the AI content game. So start experimenting today, put your ideas into action, and who knows, the next viral horror AI video might just be yours.